Hello and welcome everyone. I am Ruchira Sharma, your host for the Tech Gig Code Gladiators 2020. But before we begin day 2 of the grand finale Coding Hackathon, I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of Tech Gig, India's most passionate technology community. Tech Gig Code Gladiator is truly a one-of-a-kind event. It has won the Guinness Book of World Records and it is also the winner of the Limca Book of Records. This is the 7th edition of the Tech Gig Code Gladiators, the world's largest coding event. But it is the first virtual edition due to the impact of COVID-19. But we have not let the trying situation bog us down. We are focusing on the solution and not the problem. In fact, the coders have been trying to come up with tech solutions to mitigate the impact of COVID-19. We hope that some of these promising solutions can truly make a global impact. So a warm welcome to all of you who have joined in just now. The scale of the competition was truly phenomenal, with the total participants of 2,52,365. Only 12,095 participants made it to the semi-finals. And as the competition got more demanding, only 1,542 participants made it to the grand finale. And our hashtags were Code in Quarantine and Code Gladiators. But as you know, the action is only getting more exciting as the finale coding round has entered day 2. This is a moment of great pride for all of us here. We kick-started the finale round with the Theme Hackathon finalists yesterday, just about the same time. And these passionate coders have been coding non-stop for almost 22 hours. And now we have wrapped up this grueling hackathon round. So I can only imagine that they all want a breather or maybe a few minutes of rest. But keep the tempo up, guys. We will soon be sharing the presentation slots for this. Now it's time to welcome another set of coders for the coding finale. This is truly a big moment for all of you. I can only imagine the non-stop tension and the numerous nail-biting moments for all of you. It's only getting better by the minute. But before we move on, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people who have made this stupendous event possible. A quick mention for our sponsors, the pillars of strength who have supported us in our journey so far. The theme partners are Microsoft, UiPath, Times Internet, IBM, Diamond Partner, IG Infotech, Silver Partner, CDK Group, Colruyt Group. But before we move on, don't forget to type in hashtag Code Gladiators and hashtag Code in Quarantine and let the world know that you are here witnessing this amazing mega event. Without much ado, let me now invite Mr. Sanjay Goyal, Business Head, Times Jobs and Tech Gig to welcome all of you to day 2 of Tech Gig Code Gladiators.
Hello guys, I'm Sanjay Goyal, Business Head, Times Jobs and Tech Gig. I'm glad to welcome all the Code Gladiators to the finale arena. Some moments from now, your journey to claim the title of Code Champion of the world's biggest contest, Code Gladiators, will begin. Also, I want to welcome back the Theme Hackathon finalists who have been coding their way to glory since the last 22 hours. Hats off to your determination and the zeal to prove your skills. So all the finalists, whether Theme Hackathon or coding round, are winners to me. Our war cry for this year was hashtag Code in Quarantine, and true to its call, we have seen people from all parts of India participating enthusiastically at Code Gladiators. Frankly, this is all very inspiring to me. If you know your goal and work on it day and night, then nothing, not even COVID-19, can stop you from achieving success. Every year, Tech Gig and its industry partners set the Code Gladiator stage with an aim to find India's best coders. This year, apart from solving business problems, we also encouraged coders to come up with tech solutions that limit the COVID-19 impact. I will meet all of you again on August 13 at the Code Gladiators Virtual Grand Finale Award Ceremony to felicitate the winners. But before we part ways, I want to say, may the best coder and code win. All the best, keep safe, keep coding from home. You can use hashtag Code in Quarantine to reach us.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay Goyal, for the motivating speech. Your encouragement means the world to our coders. It is truly a spectacular moment for all of us and all of you who have joined in to witness the finale hackathon of the world's biggest coding event. So don't forget to type in hashtag Code Gladiators and hashtag Code in Quarantine and let the world know that you are here witnessing this stupendous event. So it is time now to quickly revisit the glory of Code Gladiators 2020. Well, that was truly exhilarating, and I would now like to express our gratitude to all the participants who have made this magnum opus possible. Congratulations to the coders who have made their way to the finale hackathon. And do one thing, keep your eyes on the prize and remember to stay focused. Please take a note of the guidelines and rules for the finale hackathon. In fact, now we'd like to urge you to check your internet connectivity and all your other things right away. We are giving you about half an hour to settle down and check on all this. So after this, you must go to the Code Gladiators dashboard to access the finale problems. The coding hackathon will begin sharp at 11 o'clock. All the best to each one of you, and make sure you take this time to catch your breath, think, and most importantly, remain calm. May the best coders and the best ideas win today. For the theme hackathon participants, the presentation slots will be shared very soon. So keep watching this space, and we'll be sharing the timing for all the participants right here. Thank you, and all the best to each one of you.